The festive mood is in the air. This is famous for being the country's tallest Christmas tree. Carol singing is one of the most important Christmas traditions for Filipinos.
Pag mangangaroling kayo, sama-sama kayo lahat pupunta kayo sa ibang lugar, pupunta kayo sa malayo. Baga nagkakaroon ng kwentuhan, yung banding nandoon, yung saya ang nararamdaman ng bawat isa.
This group of carol singers do this every year. They enjoy making others happy with their songs.
Hindi ko makalimutan nangyari sa Manuel. Pagkatok namin na gano'n. Tao po, mangangaroling po kami. Ay may aso na kaganon. Itakbo kami lahat sa multicab. Lumabas daw sa gate, bukas yung gate.
But for many Filipinos, Christmas is more than just about carol singing.
Special kasi dito walang mahirap, walang mayaman eh. Lahat nagse-celebrate ng Christmas. Lalo na alam natin na walang-wala na, pero kita mo, nagse-celebrate pa rin sila. Masaya kahit na walang-wala na.
But the recent Bopha typhoon in the southern Philippines, which killed more than 1,000 people and left hundreds of thousands homeless, has made people think twice about celebrating. Many groups like this local radio station are canceling their Christmas party.
Yung mga victims ng mga bagyo sa Davao, walang makain, walang matirahan, at ang masakit doon, yung iba, sabi, namumulot ng mga patay na hayop, tapos kinakatay ulit at yun ang kinakain. Parang naisip ko, kakain kami ng masarap, tapos yung kababayan ko kumakain ng mga patay na hayop, ng mga basura, para lang makakain. Parang hindi mo ma-appreciate yung food.
The radio station's budget for its Christmas party will instead be donated to the victims of the typhoon. They are also donating relief goods to less fortunate communities in the province. For other Filipinos, there's a long tradition of attending Catholic Masses before Christmas.
Sinasabi din po kasi nila na pag nakompleto daw po yung 9 days, tanas yung mga gabi, meron daw po ang wish na mag-grant sa akin. Yung good health ng pamilya ko, yung many years to come, na sana kasama ko sila. Siyempre sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay ko, sa pag-aaral, sana maging successful and happy.
This tradition, known as Simbang Gabi, dates back to Spanish colonial times more than 400 years ago. Farmers started their day with a dawn mass. The tradition still carries on today.
Ang Simbang Gabi, ayun nga, sakop siya ng dito lang yan sa Pilipinas. Parang napakaganda naman sa akin dahil halos nakikita ko ang isang pamilya, ultimong maliit na bata ay gumigising para lamang magsimba. At yung ganung sitwasyon ay hindi basta-basta mangyayari kung ikaw ay walang pagmamahal sa ating Panginoon.
And Christmas is also the perfect opportunity for Filipinos who work abroad to come home. Verdandy Tagapulot is a musician on an international luxury ship. He travels more than 9 months in a year. He's one of almost 10 million Filipinos longing to go home every Christmas.
I'm not planning anything special on the day itself, but ever since I got here, I've been spending special times with my wife and kids, cooking for them every day, taking my son to school, fetching my daughter from school. Yesterday we just went to a movie.
He dedicates this song to his family.
Christmas won't be the same without you. Christmas won't be the same if you go. All I need to see is standing by my Christmas tree.
Christmas won't be the same without you.
With Ariel Carlos and Brian Gillen in Palawan, Philippines, this is Joe Fulpisorio for Asia Calling.